to learn how to make an easy meal, then click subscribe and the bell icon, and let's do together.
Welcome ladies and gentlemen to my channel Easy Food for DIY. Today I would like to show you how to make creamy curry with lobster. Please let's start watching how we do it. It's easy and yummy. Here is shallot, peanut, pouring coconut milk into the pan, so please cook it become sticky and more creamy, and it smells good now. Now it's time to put chili paste and cook it down. Here is curry paste together with pepper lightly. Please top up with peanut if you like it.
Thank you for your value time watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest video. Thank you.